Hey, good morning, Dan. I'm Kevin Anderson with HMG, and I've been talking to you on the phone. And I know it's frustrating to have these equipment issues, but hopefully we're going to get those worked out today with this new piece of equipment that we're going to send you. I wanted to walk through with you. I know you've done it several times, but let's just walk through right out of the box on setting this equipment up. Something I failed to mention to you is because of the power problems that you were having at the office, we believe, we being Rob Smith, who's head of tech support over at SPS, believe that power surge fried the modem in this check imager. So just go get you, not a power strip, but just a, it can be a cheap surge protector, $8 to $10, and make sure that you plug all that in. And also, I would say that let's try using this at home first to make sure that we know everything is set up and working. It'll take you less than 5 minutes after you get the equipment before you move that back to the office. I've duplicated your system here with a 3750 Omni terminal, Verifone terminal, so we're going to use that just like the one that you have. I'm also going to be sending you this RDM check imager. The last 4 digits on the security or serial number is 2100. I don't know if you can get that or not, but this is going to be the one that you're using. We're going to set this up, run a test transaction, and let you know that everything's working properly when it leaves here. So first off, let's go ahead and plug the terminal in. We're going to plug it into our power supply, and then we're going to take the other end and plug it into the power outlet there, and it just kind of goes in sideways. You'll hear it click. Now it's going to run through, it's going to run through and do its little thing and start up. You're going to hear it go through different codes. It's going to flash from amber, red, green, till it gets a solid amber, and there it is. And you know that the terminal is now plugged in and powered up correctly. And now we're going to take the connection cable, and if we ever have an equipment failure, it's really been a cable problem, and most of the time it's because a little clip is broken on the terminal side. So make sure that's good. You get a couple of these. So we're going to take this in, plug it into the COM port, which is right next to the telephone jack. So we'll plug that in. Now we're going to go ahead and take the other end of this and plug it into the RS-232 slot on the terminal. We'll take our power supply, plug it into the surge protector, take the other end and plug it into the power, which is right there in the middle. Kind of pushes in and twists. And you'll see this start to power up. While that is powering up and going through the cycle, we're going to take our telephone cords. We're going to plug one into the check imager, the other into the terminal. You'll hear them snap in, and you know that that's working correctly. And then, of course, we're just, let me grab a check out of here. To test the transaction, as you know, we're going to use the one that says secure payment, right? It's initializing, checking scanner. We're going to hit the more button. Then we'll hit the scanner button, we'll hit configure, configuring scanner, scanner configured, so that is correct. Now we'll go back and hit check sale, and I'm going to stop this video and we're going to go right back into our check sale because we're running out of time for the YouTube.